Hi, babes.
Hiya.
Where are you?
At home.
Who are you with?
No one.
Sorted. Let's go for a burn then.
What?
A drive.
I can't.
Why?
I'm washing my hair.
How long's that going to take?
Ages.
After then.
I can't.
Why?
I'm busy.
Doing what?
Cat's coming over.
When?
Later.
Oh, come on, babe. We could go out to the countryside and, come on.
I don't want to.
Why?
I've got stuff to do.
No, you haven't. You're just making excuses.
I'm not.
You are. What's up?
Do you really want to know?
Yeah.
It's just...
What?
I don't...
What?
Look, you scare me when you're driving, alright?
Eh?
You just show off and it's dangerous.
I don't. I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, right. Look, I don't want to end up wrapped around a tree just because you think you're a racing driver, alright?
Right.
So, yeah. Laters.
Flick. Flick. Flick.
Michelin, a better way forward.